Mm. Do you like your asparagus? Charles?
Charlie, eat your dinner. Eat your dinner.
Charles. Monkey. Do you like your asparagus?
Yeah. Chew
Pretty
it up,
good.
baby. Okay, chew it up. Get hold of it.
Oop.
Don't
Do you
drop
need
it.
help?
There you go.
Ooh, good job.
There you go. Not your fingers. The green bit. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. There you go, baby. Good boy. Good boy. You like it? You like it? Good. We're all having dinner together and you like your dinner, right? Baby. Baby. There you go. Good boy.
Wow. You need help? Did you? There you go.
That's a good boy. Charlie. Charlie, keep eating it. There you go.
Is it delicious? Do you love it?
Good boy. You're a very good boy.
Want to take a break from the camera? Say love you guys. My asparagus is delicious. What? What's wrong?
He's trying to eat. You're filming him.
Okay. Okay, good night. Good
Oh, he
night.
dropped it on the floor.
Whoops. Whoops.